Hey there friends, it is me, HLModTech, and I've got another cool game that you can do in FMS Logo, and I'm sharing it to you. If you're on the internet, you'll have to do all the steps to add this to your computer, but if you're in my class, check out how easy it is to get to a second game in FMS Logo. My friends, all you need to do is double click on MT Tools. When you do that, go to the ModTech folder and find the 01 Logo folder. The training that you're going to do is in Lesson 18, and I'm going to have a separate folder for each one of these. 02 is one called Boink. To launch Boink, you simply double-click it. When you double-click it, pick the size of your screen, which is 1024 by 768. Tell it OK. You can pick the style you want. I'm going to show you how to play easy peasy. So the little pink ball is sliding left, right, and there are little slash marks that you can use to make it bounce, and your job is to try and get it to hit this cube as fast as you can. You can do the plus sign or the minus sign to make it go faster or slower. You can turn the sound on and off if you want, and X is the finish button. So if you look at the slash above the enter, it is going to make it bounce downwards, so I'm trying to time it so it hits right at the right spot. You can see my old man reflexes I missed, so I'm just going to try again on his next time by. That time I nailed it, and I won in 258 steps and 38 seconds. You can press the letter G for another game, or any other key to exit. It's that easy to experiment with Boink and have a little bit of fun as you challenge yourself and see just how good your neighbors can be as well. So hey friends, I hope you enjoyed Boink. If you did, please hit that like button. If you got a question, comment, or a suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Mash that subscribe button. And last but not least, click notifications if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new movie from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.
The monkey chased the weasel. The monkey thought 'twas all in good